Hi everyone. So at this moment, I'm actually drawing. If you can recognize it already, I'm halfway drawing a double patty burger. It's just a simple double patty burger. I hope it still looks good and yummy. Of course, comes with this burger is an order of fries. We love fries, of course. I'm now labeling it. Fries, 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 fries. And then I am now outlining the drawing on the ketchup part, the bun, and then of course the fries, 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 fries. Now erasing the pencil outline, and now we're on the fun part, coloring. Now I'm coloring the bun. The cheese, we love cheese also. The cheesy burger, we love that. I'm on the first layer of patty. The veggies, coloring the veggies. Just a simple burger, a double patty burger. The ketchup. Now it's becoming red and red. And the second patty, of course, because it's double patty burger. The bottom bun. Now we're almost done with the burger. We're now coloring the fries. Fries, fries, fries. And of course, it's labeled fries. This order of fries. The fries is almost done, and you can now have your order of burger and fries. I hope you like it. Thank you.